So let us start solving the 11th question of exercises of electricity. The question goes like this. Show how you would connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohms, so that the combination has a resistance of first 9 ohms and second 4 ohms. So let us solve the first one. Let us see how to connect these three resistors, each of 6 ohms, so that you should get an equivalent resistance of 9 ohms. To get this, to get 9 ohms, connect two 6 ohm resistors in parallel and this in series with a 6 ohm resistor as shown below. See, two 6 ohm resistors are in parallel and this is in series with the third 6 ohm resistor. This I have marked as R1, this I have marked as R2. Okay. Now, the equivalent resistance of parallel combination is 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. It becomes 2 by 6 which is equal to 1 by 3. So R dash becomes equal to 3 ohms. So total resistance is equal to R dash plus R3. Because the parallel combination is in series with the third resistance. R dash we have got 3 and R3 we have 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9 ohms. So this is the answer of the first part. Now to get 4 ohms, connect two 6 ohms in series and this in parallel with the third 6 ohm resistor. See here, two 6 ohms are in series and this series combination is in parallel with the third 6 ohms. Okay. Now the equivalent resistance of R1 and R2, that is series combination, is R dash is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 ohms. So total equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R is equal to this 1 by 12 plus the third resistor, that is 1 by 6. Because this series combination is in parallel with the third 6 ohm resistor. So 12 is the LCM, 12 ones are 12, so ones are 6 twos are 12, so 1 twos are 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 by 12, so which becomes equal to 1 by 4, so R is equal to 4 ohms. This is the answer for the 11th question. Now 12th question, several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volts line are rated 10 watts. Okay. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volts line if the maximum allowable current is 5 amperes. Okay, so this is the question. So each lamp is marked 220 volts 10 watts. So how many such lamps you can connect in parallel so as to get and to draw the maximum allowable current is how much? 5 amperes. So V is equal to 220 volts and power of each bulb is given as 10 watts. We know one equation for power is P is equal to V squared by R. So power is 10, V is 220, so V squared 220 into 220 upon R. So 10 is equal to 220 into 220 upon R. Okay. Now R is equal to what? 220 into 220 upon 10. By cross multiplication, these can be interchanged. So 10 comes down, R goes here. So R is equal to, if you solve this, you get 4840 ohms. Now, these bulbs, each of 4840 ohms, have to be connected in parallel. Okay. So let N be the number of bulbs in parallel. So its equivalent resistance is 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R, so on n times. So 1 upon 4840, so on n times, because the resistance of each bulb is 4840 ohms. So 1 by R is equal to what this becomes? N upon 4840. So R becomes equal to 4840 upon N. Okay. Now you know by Ohm's law V is equal to IR. V is 220. Current maximum allowable current is 5 amperes. R we have got 4840 upon N. By cross multiplication, N goes here, 220 comes down here. So if you solve this, 5 into 4840 upon 220, you get N is equal to 110 bulbs. Okay, so take down all these notes in your fair book, understand them, practice and revise them many times. Okay, understand the sums, solve them without looking and so on. So 12 questions I have solved till now. From 13 onwards till 18, these questions will be for your homework. If you are not understanding, okay, put up your queries and doubts on the WhatsApp group. Okay.